Well, there is an undercurrent always about, okay, so what happens when things end? You were talking about people are learning about how to cook, and which is kind of a lost art because we all went out so often. That's got to be something that lasts past the pandemic.
Well, Jim, it's funny. I was hoping you'd put us as part of your COVID-19 portfolio. However, forget COVID-19 for a second. I haven't talked to any company. A lot of my consumer packaged goods peers been talking to a lot of our banking companies, and there isn't one company I've talked to or heard about that says when COVID's over, we're going back with everybody coming to the office 5 days a week. Right. Every single company I've talked to have said, not sure I'm bringing everybody back because remote work is working really well. And of the people that are coming back, probably not bringing them back 5 days a week in order to allow people to take advantage of better work-life balance. So there could be a vaccine tomorrow, but I don't know of any company so far that I've talked to that says they're going back full bore the way they did. So I think post-COVID, people will be working more at home, which means people will be eating more breakfast at home, which means you can run down at lunchtime and throw a banana bread in the oven, baking. And our categories are just perfectly positioned between vegetables, meals, including snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, condiments, spices and seasonings, baking, and just perfect. And we're across the pantry. We're in every aisle, dried food aisle in the store, plus the frozen aisle. We even have some brands that merchandise in the deli aisle. So we're in the pantry, we're in the freezer, and we're ready to continue to meet consumers' needs as they cook and eat more at home.
And look, for me, my favorite thing, you paid down $170 million in debt. You've got your balance sheet better. Maybe we can stop worrying about that dividend. People were so worried when the stock went to 18. That was a mistake.
I know. We keep telling them the dividend was safe. The dividend was safe. We never talk in the boardroom about anything other than, how much we're going to increase the dividend. So we don't talk about, we don't really have any plans to cut the dividend. We're committed to the dividend. As you know, Jim, you followed the company early on. That's why this company was created.
Right.
And we're very happy to have just announced our 64th consecutive dividend. And we're very happy about paying down debt. We know it got a little bit high for folks, and now we're right in the middle of the range we've stated for a long time that we like to be in. We'll always look to further reduce debt, but then we want to get back on the acquisition trail. There are some brands out there we would like to add to the continued value creation of this company.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.